this is Mohit, and today's session I will teach you how to install Python with Selenium. So what step you have to follow in your system to install Python with Selenium. So let's move into some steps I had collected at this point. So what you have to do how to install, first step, how to install setup Selenium with Python in your system. So Python, first you have to install the Python. So Python installation process in your window environment. So what you have to do, first we'll go in the Google and download Python download. We will click on this Python download, or you can directly go through this link. Okay, so here you will get this link. So download the Python. You can see we have Windows, we have a Linux and all. So just we'll go here and download the latest version for Windows. So I'm going to downloading this latest version of Windows, but I have already in my system, so I'm going to cancel this. After downloading this Python exe file, what you have to do, you have to install in your system in the Python. Okay, just simple installation, how to use installing the software in your system. Like that you have to install this exe file in your system. Now download the latest version of Windows. Okay, so this one, click on the double click of exe file, and after that all the steps I have given, select install for user and click on the next button, select customize Python, next button, and finally click on the finish button. After installing the Python, we can check it is installed properly or not. Okay, after installing the Python, we have to check, we have to verify it is installed properly or not. Go to the below path so we can get the folder. So this is the path where we can see your Python is installed properly or not. So how to go this? So we have a user and app data and local program and Python file. So we'll go first this location, C drive, users, then we have a app data. Okay, in your system this file is hidden. Okay, so first you have to show view of this file, hidden show view of this file. So how to do show view? That just check in your system. In my Windows 7, so I did this step, how to see the hidden file. So in your system, again I'm repeating, if you are installing in your system, this is hidden file, app data is hidden file. So if you cannot see this file, okay, it is not visible. So how to see this hidden file in your system? Just check with your Google and do data steps. So in Windows 7 I did how to see this hidden file. So just follow data step, then you are only able to see this app data. After going app data, we have a local, I think inside this local, right? We can see this. So we have a local, again we have a program. Okay, one second. So local, we have a program, then we have a Python folder. So we can see this local, where is that local, and we have a program. After we have a Python folder. So we have to verify our Python folder is Python is installed properly or not. So these steps you have to follow. Go to the below path. Then in the above folder called app data, okay, which is hidden folder, I told you already. So when we install Python software, then it will install lots of folder. A script is one of the most default folder. Okay, when you are installing this Python, we have a many folders. So a script is also default folder. So a script is also having the one folder. I can show you. Yeah, you can see I'm telling regarding this script folder. Okay, you can see we have a many default Python file. So all this default Python file will use over there. Okay, So script folder have default files. Okay, so yeah, pip. Okay, so why I'm asking regarding this a script. Okay, so a script is one of the default file. You can see we have a one file that is called pip file. So that's why, you know, and that pip is very important. So I will tell you what is the use of the pip. Okay, so we use pip to install any Python package. Okay, so if you want to install any Python you know, package, then by using this pip we can install this. Okay, when we install Python, it will set default path. Okay, so this is the most important point. So when we install Python, it will set the default path in your machine. When you are installing the Python, by default the set will path. If you have a Python pip, then you can install the Selenium from the command prompt. Okay, if you have a pip, then we are able to only install this file. Okay, but I will show you one more thing. So we'll go this location. Okay, we'll go this location. So I'm going to that location, Python location. So I am in the Python location. Okay, I am in this Python location. Just type cmd. So it will open the command prompt. Then you have to use this command for installing the Python Selenium. Okay, for installing the Selenium we have to use pip install -u and Selenium. Okay, so when you will install this in your system, so in my system already there, okay, so requirement already satisfied. But one more important point, when you are installing this pip, we are getting one error. If you have a command, something will get below error. Okay, sometime if you use this, then what happen, you will get this error: pip is not recognized as internal or external command. So this is the very important. Definitely you will get it this error. If why we are getting this error, sometime Python path is not properly default set in your system, so you will get this error. Okay, this is the important point, and why I am making this video, because you will get many videos on this, how to install the Python in your system, but this error is coming. Okay, I observed this, it's not there. Okay, so how to resolve this error? So main agenda is how to resolve this below error. Okay, so we'll check this, how to resolve this error. If you are getting pip is not recognized as internal or external command, means Python is not setting the default path. Okay, so in our system, at a time of installation, we set the Python as a default path in the different ways. So one more way is how to do this. Okay, so we can how to set the Python file as a default way. Okay, so what you have to do, first steps, go to my computer properties. So let's so just go to this properties. Okay, second steps, you have to go in the advanced system. Third steps, you have to go in the environmental variable. I'll tell you all these steps. Okay, okay, so what you have to do, go to computer properties, click on the advanced setting. Okay, click on the environment and go to the users variable. Okay, so we are in the users variable now, you can see. So inside this user variable, click on the new button, click on this new button, then as a window will open. Yeah, so what you have to do, you have to give here path, name is your path. path, and here you can see what the location I have given here. Okay, so we'll give this location till Python. Okay, first we'll go here and we'll give this location till Python. Okay, so here we'll give this location where it is Python. Okay, now after that we'll give this comma, separated comma. Okay, we'll give this separated comma. Got it? Separated comma. Then after that you can see, if you will go this Python, and we have a script folder. Okay, so after that, separating this comma, actually wait once again, this is not copied properly. Okay, first yeah, we'll give this part like that. It won't not copied properly, so first we'll give this path and separated by this comma, and again semicolon. Okay, we'll semicolon, then we'll go in this script folder and copy this path and just paste it here. Okay, so you have to give this all this, you know, complete. You have to copy it and you have to give this let's copy here. Okay, font size is too big, so you are not able to see. Just I will copy this all the things. So you have to give this complete path. Okay, so now if you will go inside this and just click on OK, because in my system already it is there. Okay, this is already there, so I'm not going to set this. So if you will try one after doing these steps, okay, if you will try this after doing these steps, then you know this is the first steps, you know how to do this. Okay, we have a second one more step, so I'm not going to discuss this step. So coming video I will tell you to how to install this second steps, how to do that regarding this second step. Try with first steps first. Okay, it will definitely work. So what you have to do after doing this, you have to, you know, will use this command pip list. Okay, pip list. Okay, so before installing this software, you know, pip install Selenium. Before installing the Selenium, this Selenium package won't be so. Okay, after installing this Selenium pip list, then you are able to see this Selenium package. Okay, so this is setup how to install this Selenium. So next session I will tell you how to, you know, second way to set the default path in your system, and how to start your Python with the Selenium coding to get a start with, you know, practice, hands-on practice by using this PyCharm. So coming session will discuss regarding this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe my channel and share with your friend. Thank you so much.